1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 351 Windsor. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Power brakes, disc up front. Power steering, actually new rack and pinion steering added in this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Take a look at that chrome. Of course, the headlight doors. Those are working, and when we start it up here at the end of the video, I'll open those up so you can see them. This is an original black car. There's a Marty report that will go with it. In 1967, there's only 915 black Cougars produced, according to the Marty report. Take your time looking through the still pictures. All the pictures that Marty reported in the still pictures also. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Be able to check it all out from every angle. Over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, you can click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Those are new BF Goodrich radials and new wheels that were just put on in 2023 anyway. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Now, it is black. If I get right on top of it, there's some imperfections, maybe they've been touched up, light scratch. But overall, it's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun, show it off. Vinyl top has been redone, interior has been redone. Let's take a look down this passenger side first. You can see a nice shiny reflection in that paint, and then the top. Yeah, it looks like a newer vinyl top has been redone, as well as the interior in black vinyl, bucket seats, center console. And we're going to get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that, start it up, let you hear it run. First, I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You're also going to notice newer stainless steel exhaust in the underside pictures. There's a box of some miscellaneous bulbs and what have you. I believe it's the original for the taillights. This does come with sequential taillights on it right now. Those are working. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And again, you'll have a few little blemishes, touch-ups, what have you on this one with the black. Let's take a look down the driver's side. It's an original Texas car. DSO is actually Dallas, so you're aware of that. You'll be able to see that on the Marty report. And it also had a Dan Gurney special as far as the options that it was produced with. I believe that was kind of an appearance deal back then. Nice stance to the car. Let's take a look at this interior. Door panels look good. Seat belt's intact here. Move those so you can see the seat. Don't really notice any rips, tears, or holes in the seats. There's an Alpine stereo system, aftermarket one added. Powers up. I have not had it produce sound, so you're aware of that. As you can see, center console with the shifter. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 351 Windsor. There we go. Stereo did come on there. So Alpine stereo is working. Good to go.
Celebrate with the
Here's fuel gauge came up. Tachometer. That was a cold start too, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Amp meter over here. Good sounding car. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Door closes nicely. Nothing crazy over the top, just good sounding car. This is a true XR7. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to need to get out those hood pins. Let's get this hood open, and we'll pop those lights when I come back too and have the hood open. We'll check those light doors. Alright, we got the hood open. Show the underside of that quick. Hood liner, everything there. Let's take a peek at the headlights. Let's see the wall up there. Headlight doors are working. And here it is. It's warmed up on low idle now. There's the power steering pump, power brakes. 351 Windsor. Good looking engine bay. Look at the strut tower brace in there. Some dress up with the chrome and the Cougar air cleaner. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive. So we'll put the camera in it, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7. Two-door hardtop, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And you can call us, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1967 Mercury Cougar in black with a black interior and a wood grain on the dash. Nice looking Cougar. You don't see very many of these. This would be the ideal Cougar if I were to choose one as far as styling goes. Kind of the cousin to the Mustang. But as with a lot of cars, the cousin seems to have more style, in my opinion. No, that's just my opinion. A little bit of traffic today. This is an automatic on the center console. Nice strong running Cougar, firm shifts. From that automatic is just the way you want it. The amp meter is right in the middle. Fuel gauge is 3/4 of the way up. Over here we have an oil pressure gauge, and that is reading 55 psi, looking good. Temperature is just coming off the cold right now. Factory tachometer working well, as is the speedometer. Also Alpine radio in the dash. I have not tested the cassette player, but the FM is working well. Blower motor works, wipers work. This car is good to go. We have hood pins up on the front of the hood. Nice looking hood scoop. This feels the way it should on the road. You can tell, you can feel the road. You can feel the road in a good way, but it's a nice ride. This car corners nicely. It doesn't lean too much in the corners. You can hear that nice exhaust note. Kick down working on the transmission. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats in this Cougar. If I let go of the steering wheel, it doesn't move at all. The steering wheel stays right where you put it. Nice looking steering wheel, real wood. Finger grooves, chrome. What a nice Cougar. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.